Ever found yourself in a tangle of wires trying to set up a new router? It can be a daunting task, but fear not. Today, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to set up a TP-Link router. Begin by connecting the router to the internet using an Ethernet cable, commonly known as a WAN cable. Once connected, plug the router into a power source using the AC adapter that comes with the router. Wait until the lights on the front of the router become solid, indicating that it has finished booting up. Next, connect a computer to the router using another Ethernet cable. This cable goes into any available LAN port on the router, and the other end connects to an Ethernet port on your computer. If you prefer, you can also connect wirelessly using the default SSID and password listed on the router or in the user's manual. With your hardware set up, it's time to move on to the software. Open a web browser of your choice and enter the default access address in the address bar to open the router's user interface. You can find this address listed on the router or in the user's manual. Upon entering the interface, create a new admin password. Make sure the Quick Setup tab is selected for a smooth walkthrough of the router setup process. Select your time zone from the drop-down menu, then click Next. The next step is to select your internet connection type. If you're unsure, use the auto-detect feature. However, it's always best to confirm this with your internet service provider. Depending on the type of internet connection, you might need to enter your IP address. Now you're ready to personalize your network. Enter a unique network name, SSID, and a secure password. This is what people will use to connect to your wireless network. If you'd prefer your network name not to appear when people search for a wireless network, simply check the Hide SSID box. Review all the information you've entered on the summary page, and if everything looks correct, click Save. You can now connect your devices to the wireless network and click Next. Voila! Your TP-Link router is all set up and ready to go. In summary, the setup process involves connecting your router to the internet and a computer, entering the router's user interface, setting up your admin password, selecting your time zone and internet connection type, personalizing your network, and finally, saving your settings. It's a straightforward process, and with this guide, you should be up and running in no time. Enjoy your newly configured TP-Link router.